Jesel Lifters. What type of oil should I use? We recommend soaking the lifters in mineral-based oil prior to installation as well as pre-lubing the engine prior to startup. After initial engine break-in, if you are going to use synthetic-based oil, we highly recommend oils containing high zinc content formulated for racing applications. Synthetic oils formulated for street use are not recommended due to a lack of zinc content. Roller lifters. Do your lifters have a pressurized oiling circuit? Yes, all of the lifters we manufacture since 1995 have an internal oiling circuit that feeds pressurized oil to the needle bearings in the roller, ensuring constant lubrication and elimination of any contaminants. There is also a feed hole that sprays oil to the outside diameter of the roller to help prevent cam lobe wear. Offsets. Splayed pair. Should I be running oil restrictors? No, let the lifters be the restrictors. With the spring pressures and ratios being used in today's racing engines, the lifters need as much oil to them as they can possibly get. Whenever possible, we suggest plumbing the block so that oil is fed equally to the lifters through the front and rear of the oil galley. In the event that you are getting excessive oil to the top end, provisions should be made for better oil drain back to the pan, either by external scavenging lines or internal drains. Bush lifters. How much lifter to bore clearance should I be running? For a cast iron or bronze bushed blocks, we recommend running +002 clearance cold. If you are running your lifters in an aluminum block without bushings, we recommend running +012 clearance cold and preheating the block prior to startup. Roller lifters. What is the advantage to using a larger diameter roller? The larger the diameter, the stronger the roller. This is due to an increased cross-sectional area between the ID offsets, right pair, and the OD of the roller. Also, a larger diameter roller rotates slower and reduces the loads needed to open the valve train. You may have to adjust your cam specs when using a larger diameter roller due to an increase in duration. A larger diameter roller may allow you to get more aggressive with your opening ramp design. Why are your lifters so expensive? The cost is a result of the highest quality materials being produced in small, quality controlled lots held to tolerances as low as 0.0001 of an inch. All components, with the exception of the needle bearings, are manufactured in our Lakewood, New Jersey facility on dedicated CNC machining centers and processed using the latest aerospace coatings and heat treating procedures. Bush lifters. Why are your pushrod seats so low? The closer the pushrod pivot point is to the bottom of the roller, the less leverage there is for the body to rock in the lifter board. Think of it this way, if you're trying to tip something over, the higher you push, the easier it gets. I don't see a snap ring holding in the axle. How is the axle held in? All Jesel lifters feature an internal locking pin that secures the axle to the body. With our design, external snap rings and spire locks that occasionally come loose causing severe engine damage is eliminated. When should I replace my lifters? Unfortunately, there is no set time. There are many factors to consider such as operating environment, oil used and valve train stability. With proper care and maintenance, it is not uncommon for a lifter in a circle track application to see 2,000 miles and a drag car with hundreds of passes down the strip. Jesel can inspect your lifters and provide you feedback on the expected life. Can my lifters be rebuilt? Most lifters purchased after June 2007 can be fully rebuilt. The procedure takes about a week and is only done here in our Lakewood, New Jersey facility. Due to design changes, we do not recommend rebuilding lifters purchased prior to June 2007. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. We are an authorized dealership for Jesel Sportsman, Pro Series, and Nitro/Alcohol Series rockers and lifters, as well as belt drives and cam cores.